Well, good day at work today. Got the front bumper back on. I did not want to trim the front bumper. It's really close. But it clears. It just barely clears. I may have to go back and retrim some more. I did not want to trim the bumpers, but there was just no way around it. It just could not. Just couldn't. I just wouldn't do it. So, most of the frame is painted. Fuel tank is in. Shocks are in. And it turned out the rear fuel tank was actually loose. So I tightened up the rear fuel tank. So now it's exhaust, and then I can start putting the bed back together, and still have to work on the interior. So I haven't done anything on the interior. It's still the same way. It still is exactly the same. Anyway, so yeah. Well, we're gonna do the exhaust today. I pulled off the you can see it right there, the insulation, and I'm getting ready to make the cut at the top. I hope this goes well. Well, I got the exhaust cut off, and it wasn't too bad. Had to make a couple cuts, but of course I broke the V-band clamp, so I'm off to try to fix that. So this is what I got done over the weekend. This is piece for the interior. The frame is painted. New fuel tank. New exhaust. New shocks. Tightened the rear fuel tank down. New carpet. New speakers. The ones in the doors are not very good. I need to do those. Started working on trying to figure out how to swap the dash out. That's gonna be a little more work. That's not as easy as I was thinking it was, or hoping it was going to be. So it's gonna take a little bit of work. The carpet still has to get trimmed, and then especially once I get that's a piece of trim up right there. That's the brown cocoa trim. So there's still a lot of gray in here we gotta get changed out. So yeah. Overall, oh, I forgot one more thing. Front bumper's in. So I got the front bumper. I'm still having some rubbing issues. This offset, these wheels offsets are they're not being kind. I had to trim the bumper already, and I still have to do some more surgery. But overall, not bad for a weekend. So now I'm ready to put the box back on.